And we're going to go this way and see what's down here. Oh, sort of, or should it be? Okay, what's down here, folks? I'm just trying not to get clocked on the head here. It looks fairly well used. Not too overgrown. Okay. No, that would not be nice. How did I have a feeling there was an up? There's always an up around here. Always an up. Up, 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 getting a little dense in here. I think we don't get monkeys around here. Oh, geez, that looks a little rough. Yeah, I think I might stay here. Are you going to come back? Okay. Yeah, slightly. Okay. I'm still turning around. Can you hear me? Okay. Almost. Okay. Okay, I'm turned around, and I'm going to go down. I'm not doing so good today. Okay, you be safe. Okay. Oh, I stalled it. I'm stopped. Okay, I'm down. Yep. I'm down. It's okay. 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 It's okay. I did, okay. Yeah. Yep. Yes. Yep. Yeah, power's off. If you can come around, yeah. I'm pouring gas out of my tank big time. You can come down if you can, or let's see if I can get her up. You just go to the flat part down there. Careful. Okay. It's okay. It's okay. My back, my brake lever needs bending out. Barkbuster's got a good wallop that did their job. A little loose. The power's off here. I turned that off because it was leaking a lot of gas out the thingamabobber. The crash bars did really good. They took the brunt of it right here, like hardcore. That would have been my fuel filter right there and my pipe. I got a little dent in the pipe, yeah. It doesn't look bent, it's not touching the frame. The back, the racks again, priceless or else I would have lost a signal. Yeah, all those extra bits sure helped. It didn't fall on that side, so that's good. This might need a bit bending out.
Why don't you walk out, take a look at yourself?
Okay. I know why I did it. I was going too slow. Yep.
Get a feeling for the zone and check for gas. Make sure it's all
right. Yeah.
And if it's not, try and get some soil and then dry.
Okay. Shit, this is steeper than it looks. Yeah, just slowed down too much. Not enough warm-up today, I think. I'm just not feeling 100%. Bagheera, I'm going down. So, I know why. I'm going too slow. Where's the fuel? Yeah. Ba-doom boom. Seems to have evaporated already. Well, there you have it. Worst scenario for going down on a downhill with rocks now accomplished. I did. I turned around on an uphill. And it was like, no, I was going too slow because then I was all kind of weirded out for some reason. I don't know what's going on there. Okay. Bagheera, buddy. What you say?
Close your eyes. What do you hear?
I hear the water. I hear the birds.
Do you hear your own heartbeat?
No.
Do you hear the grasshopper, which is at your feet?